Welcome to all brother and sister, please subscribe Asath Harigiri Shri Shiva Saith Hargal YouTube channel and click bell button. Information about olive oil. The upper part of our skin is epidermis, bottom hypodermis. The central part is called dermis. The three layers work perfectly in a healthy skin. We do not penetrate the three layers of skin, ointments and facial medications that we currently use. That is why we use expensive ointments, but it does not get the perfect result. Olive is a miraculous herb that makes the skin look beautiful with freshness and glitter. The leaf surface is dark green and the bottom is green. In the middle of the fruit there is a hard flesh and a solid flesh area around it. The fruits are round, blue and green, and the brown is brownish, red or black. The oil is high in leaves. Olive seed is the fruit of the trees of the Olliae family of botanical names, such as Olia Urobeia. The oil taken from these is called olive oil in Western medicine, and is known as citine oil as Indian medicine. Efficient chemicals. Olive oil is rich in allicide, ulrupine, olnolic acid, lividolin, epigen flavonoids, palmitics and stearic acids. Liquid gold. Olive oil gives the skin white and nourishing the skin. Olive oil contains vitamins and minerals. Antioxidant, protein, carbohydrate, fatty acids, fiber, are found. Calcium, phosphorus, potassium, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, selenium etc. Vitamin B6 or pyridoxine contains vitamin A, retinol or carotene, Q, etc. are the most visible. This is why olive oil is regarded as a liquid phosphate. The skin is glistening. They penetrate the skin to the hypodermis and keep all the layers of the skin shiny and smooth, protecting the dandruff between the muscle and the skin. 100 ml olive oil contains about 20 grams of omega-6 fatty acids, 12 mg of vitamin E, 62 micrograms of vitamin K. During bathing, drink 10 ml of olive oil and some drops of lavender oil. Children can also bathe. On the palm, mix the olive oil and sugar to soften the palm and rub it for 10 minutes and then wash off. Prevent heart disease. Olive oil, gingerbread, honey, egg, bell pepper and rosemary oil are well mixed in face and skin drought, and after 15 minutes the dullness of the water is dull and the skin is soft. After removing the roses from the face and skin, you can get olive oil and lemon juice with lemon juice. Olive oil can be trimmed at the end of the hair. Prevent breast cancer. Polyphenol found in pure olive oil has been found to help prevent breast cancer and help cure breast cancer. This polyphenol has been found to contain breast cancer cells. The study concluded that Spain's ecosystem and the University of Granada have confirmed this. A study conducted with a diluted separation from olive oil and then solidified has been shown to prevent breast cancer. So you can use olive oil to stay out of breast cancer and get relief from those in the disease. Prevent heart disease. If you have the best oil for the heart, you should tell olive oil, oil. Olive oil is considered the best cooking oil for the heart of the world in the world. Various study results have confirmed that the effects of cardiovascular disease in the Western countries that use this oil for cooking are the most serious. In Spanish research, olive oil has been found to help prevent cardiovascular disease and blood artery damage. Studies have shown that 1 teaspoon of olive oil can prevent heart disease from eating 1 day a week. If you eat half a teaspoon of olive oil every day half an hour before eating, you can prevent fat in the blood vessel.